All right, today we're going to do a video of an Okamoto ACC 1632 EXB, serial number 76055. Has a FANUC 0M control. Machine is presently wired 220 volts, although it does come with a multi-step transformer you can see in the photos. The hydraulics are on. We're going to just jog right now real quick, up and down to the head. Here, nice and quiet. You also have a pulse generator on the control if you want to manually position. Then you also have your CROSSFEED direction. You can hear that, also nice and quiet. You can speed it up and slow it down with the knob here. Again, you also have a pulse generator for that axis as well. I'm going to start the table now. You can speed up and slow down again as fast or as slow as you want through the potentiometer on the control. I'm going to start the grinding wheel. Grinding wheel is on. The machine is equipped with an over-the-wheel dresser, the factory one from Okamoto. So I can show you that. Kind of hard to see the dresser move, but you can see it is functional. Going back up. Then you have your fine, medium, and coarse for how fast the dresser will move. Machine is equipped also with a coolant system, the paper type system. You can see again that all in the photos. You have how quickly of a dress cycle here, how fast it moves back and forth. You have 3-step cycle with this control. Electromagnetic chuck, also chuck strength is variable through the control. I think that basically does it. Again, this machine's 220 volt, comes with a multi-step transformer, has a coolant system, FANUC 0M, can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.